Hey everybody, Kensurfs here, and we are back in the shave den. I know it's been a while, and maybe for the next few weeks, I might not be putting out as many videos as usual. We're having a family crisis. We've got my mother-in-law's really ill, and we've been going over there dealing with that. But I'm back in the shave den today, and I am excited to try out a new product from Dr. Selby. Now, Dr. Selby has been very popular in Latin America. In fact, if you see that, you can see that it is in Spanish. So I don't quite know what that says, but they are now making their products available here in the United States. And I got one of these to try out, one of these luxury shaving creams to try out, and I'm looking forward to trying it today. In fact, I'm bringing out one of my old razors, the Gillette Black Beauty. I'm going to have a Wilkinson Sword Gillette blade in there, and actually it's the third use, actually maybe fourth use, on the Wilkinson Sword Gillette blade that I have inside here. And I'm on setting number 3, so I'm going to be using that today. For the aftershave from Burberry London, I've got some aftershave balm. I'm going to be using this today too. So, Semogue Boar. I'll put that in here, into the crystal skull. There we go. I want to thank you for all the well-wishers, all the prayers and positive things I've been hearing on my previous video because of my mother-in-law. And I lost my dad to cancer. I lost my mother to dementia. And now we're losing my mother-in-law. Oh, all right. Well, first of all, I really like the container. Look at that, a little different than usual. Not your typical jar or typical container. Kind of like that. Let's see what we got going here. Green and lavender scented. Oh, it smells pretty good to me. Let's see how it performs. And it's supposed to be concentrated, it's supposed to really lather well. And I certainly hope it does as good as I've heard it does. So let me set this down here and let me wet the face. There we go. Take the Semogue brush out. Very nice. Very, very nice. Got a good scent. I like lavender. Oh. Very slick. Yeah, it's been a rough holiday season this year. That is for sure. In fact, I went to my doctor today, and because I have kidney issues, but just slightly out of the ordinary on some of the results. So I haven't been drinking enough water. Apparently, I'm supposed to be drinking between 64 ounces and 128 ounces a day. I haven't been doing that. And he says, I'll see you in 3 months. But my weight got down, 213. I've been trying to get to 210, under 210. A year ago, I was 217. 6 months ago, 215, 213. So I'm hoping. Yeah, very, very slick. So weird not having the goatee here today. All right. It's in the ear. I know. I'm famous for that. All right. Setting 3 on the Black Beauty, a 1969 Gillette. Setting 3 is giving me some nice feedback. You hearing that? Okay. I like that. So far, so good, very slick. And this blade's held up. I usually, I buy 100 blades off eBay, shipped from India. Takes a while, but it's usually around $7 or $8, including shipping for 100 of the Wilkinson sword Gillettes. And it takes a while to get here, but they're very consistent. I rarely have any problems with those blades. But since they're so reasonable, I usually only use them once, maybe twice. So this one's got a few more uses on it. And it's still doing the trick with the help of this soap. Thank you, Dr. Selby. All right. All right. I kind of like this container. Almost looks like a seashell, right? It's kind of nice to be back here and doing a shave with you. Not for you, with you. Oh, been a heck of a year, 2022. All right. Yeah, it's been a while since I've used the Black Beauty. Short handle. I've got my long handled one here. There's the difference. This one I kind of use more often because it's easier to handle with my big hands, but yeah, very nice soap. Very, very nice soap. You guys watched any movies lately? I watched Glass Onion with Daniel Craig. What a different character than James Bond he plays. But a good mystery, a good whodunit. Knives Out, the first introduction of that character, Jamie Lee Curtis and Daniel Craig, was pretty good too. So if you haven't seen those and you're bored and you want some, it's on Netflix now. Been in the theater, it's on Netflix. So very good. I want to see Babylon with Brad Pitt, but I have not seen that one yet either. All right. Oh, my face feels extra cold today. Oops. It's totally weird not having that goatee anymore. I was kind of used to it. The skin still feels very smooth. So, it's got its vent holes in it. So, keep this shaving cream nice and clean. There's the crest on the lid. Very impressed. Good job, guys. Okay. Let me shake this Burberry up. I don't even know what scent this is. Well, I'll try it anyway. I've had it, haven't used it yet. A little dab in the hand. No burns, no alcohol. All right. Well, very good. Well, it's good to be back with you. I don't know when my next video will be, unfortunately. Shouldn't be too long, you know. And, well, I can't stay out there forever, so I have to come home sooner or later. So my son's been holding down the fort here at the humble abode. But I'm out there, and I'm just praying for my mother-in-law. All right, everybody. Have a good time. Have a good week. I will see you all very, very soon. Bye for now.